take the children out of your care from the 1st of July. Tell me what money she will let you.
What about my own job?
Come in,
Too much
Zana.
noise and I'm not doing my own job?
She gave you 2 weeks.
What's my job?
Come here, look.
What do you do?
Previously,
My house is an apartment. Do I need to go home and do my own job?
we started making arrangements again for me to start.
What is my job at home?
Leaves our children home
Used to be
alone.
watching movies with you. I don't have nobody to watch
I
movies
don't
with
have
anymore.
this.
I just want to know what happened on 7/1.
Nobody to watch Finding Nemo with
How many
me?
children?
Yes,
I picked up
I
4.
will.
You'll come to my house and watch Finding Nemo with me?
Yes, I
That's your
will.
son?
You will.
How old are
If
you?
you,
Is that the one that you said was 13? Yes, I was
If I be good,
You're 12.
you'll come to my house and watch Finding Nemo.
Look, Zana, look over here. Look who's on the TV.
I picked up for children. I picked up for children.
Is that me on there too?
Yeah.
Certain requirements through the county that you have to take classes.
He got me on there griping.
Nah, I was just sitting checking it out.
Oh, look, it still makes me look fat. I know I'm not fat anymore.
Be good.
Under your contract.
Don't you make too much noise.
Unlicensed
And
daycare
don't me,
providers.
and you
You are.
relax.
I'm aware of
You sit down.
Oh, relax. I said, I need to go before I get caught in traffic yesterday.